Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook page. So first of all, you need to head over to your Facebook. Once you head over to Facebook, you can now click on your profile picture in the top right hand corner. Once you click on your profile picture, you can then click on the pages icon. And then once you do that, as you can see in the top left, there will be an option to create. So if you click on create, what that will do is it will bring you to here. And then you now need to click on get started. Once you do that, you will now need to choose a name of your page. So for me, I will just put something like how to online. Once you do that, you can then click on the next button. And then as you can see, you can now select a category. So for me, I will just put in education website and then click on create. Once you click on create, you can then add in a bio, add in your website, email address, phone number, and also your location. And once you have done that, you can click on the next button. So what you can do on this page is you can edit your action button if you want to do that. So you can add a sign up option, a message on WhatsApp option, whatever it may be, you can add that right there. You can also add in a page banner and a page profile picture. And then once you do that, you can click on next. Once you do that, it will ask you to connect your WhatsApp phone number, and if you don't want to do that, you can click on skip. Once you click on skip, it will ask you to invite friends, and then you can click on next. Once you have entered in all this information, feel free now to click on done, and then once you click on done, that will take you over to your page profile. And this right here is what it would look like. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.